forces out. Beginning nicely at the start is up, turn on the light. And on the outside, quick play. Next on line, down on the inside is Golden Connection. Manila Magic is racing in fourth, running down on the inside, Sunline. Anones, second last, and Courthouse is running in last. And going along for the first turn, we have a half turn on the line by about 6 lengths. Quick play in second, and in third, Golden Connection. Manila Magic now moving up to take fourth. Sunline in fifth, Anone 6, and Courthouse still in seventh, and that's Les as they swing down the bank. And it's still up. Third on the line by about 7 lengths. Moving up now to take second on the outside is Golden Connection. Quick play, drags back in third. Alongside now is Manila Magic. The Sunline remains in fifth. 6 is Anone, and Courthouse still in last. Is still in control. Up third on the line by about 7 lengths. Coming closer now inside is Golden Connection together with Manila Magic. Quick play remains in fourth. Sunline, Anone, and Courthouse as they come to the last 200. After the right, finally 3 lengths. Here comes Golden Connection. Manila Magic is moving up in the middle. We have Golden Connection. Manila Magic moving up in the middle. But still Golden Connection, Manila Magic, and finally Golden Connection, Manila Magic. After the light.
Po natin sa ating instant replay na nag-falter out yung bumanderang Afternoon Delight and dumating yung numero 3, Golden Connection. Strong run, doing quarters of 18, 24 and a half, 24 and a half, finishing at 27 and a half for a total time of 1 minute 34.8 for the distance of 1,500 meters. Partners.
Parang medyo kumalog si Randy Lagado sa ibabaw ni